Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am sharing with you how to join two patches of granny squares together. For this crochet project, I am using a number 5 steel crochet hook, which is equal to 2mm crochet hook in size, and I have made patches using 3-ply yarn. Now there are different methods to join these patches together. I am sharing a single crochet stitch method. So place two sides right side upward like this, and then we are going to take the yarn, make a slip knot of this yarn first, and then we are going to join these sides together, starting from this chain 3 space of corner right here. We are using this yarn, make a chain 1 like this first, now drop a loop and pull the yarn through 2 loops to make a single crochet like this. This is called single crochet. Drop a loop again, pull the yarn through 2 loops, single crochet 2 in this chain 3 space of corner. At corner we are going to make 2 stitches like this, and now we are going to work in corresponding stitches. This is the first stitch and this one is the first double crochet stitch of this 3 stitch panel of granny square. So we are going to work on 2 loops of both side stitches. So make a single crochet in it like this, then second stitch from here and second stitch from next patch, make a single crochet in both of them. We have 4 loops total on our crochet hook, 2 loops of first stitch and 2 loops of the second stitch. Then we are going to make a single crochet in the chain 1 space of both sides like this, then a single crochet into the double crochet stitch of both sides, working into the both loops of both side stitches. You can work on one loop as well if you want, but I am working on both loops to secure my work because I am going to make a pillow cover of these patches. So make a single crochet in chain 1 space, and in this way we are going to work till the end. You can see this final result from this side as well. So here in the end we are going to make 2 single crochet stitches in the corner chain 3 space, single crochet 1 and then single crochet 2, make chain 1 and now cut the yarn strand and pull it through this chain 1, and our patches are joined together like this. Hope you guys like this method, which is really easy to make as well. So give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.